This is really my bread and butter haircut. I like to take my first section down to about the bridge of the nose and create my guide. I've lately just been really drawn to these layers that aren't connected, especially to a fringe like this, which is a little bit more straight across. I'm gonna work above parietal, okay? So off her part here, I'm gonna take these to about her chin, vertical section off the head shape. So I'm actually gonna have her tilt her head down a bit. So now I can very naturally get a lot of elevation because she's tilted her head, and just create my guide here. And then my pressure in my blade is gonna be very light. I really like this nice disconnection between fringe and layering. So I'm gonna find this sweet spot on the middle back of my blade and just work this shape, short to long.